Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your certificate in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let's begin. First, go to your LinkedIn profile. Then here, this is my LinkedIn profile. So here you can see add profile section. Okay, here add profile section. Click here, and then go down and here go to the recommended section. Okay, open it, and here you can see add licenses and certifications. All right, so let's give a name for our certificate. Mine is Python basic. Sorry, C++ basics. Okay. Okay. So the organization is solo. Okay. So here you can say and the issue date is February and the year. Okay, done. Here the ID. I don't have the ID, so I will give the URL. Let me see the URL. Okay, all right. Let me copy it. Here is the URL, and here I will add the skill. This is C++. All right. Now I will upload the media in this media section. Okay, I mean the certificate. Okay, add media, and here you can see this is the certificate. All right, it's loading. Now, now here I will give a title for this certificate title. Okay, done, and I'll give a description for it. All right. Now I will apply it and here save it. Done. You can post it in LinkedIn or you can skip it. I will skip it. Okay, so here you can see license and certificate options. Here you can see. Okay, that's all. Sorry for my voice mistakes. Uh, as you can see, I'm a beginner in this language and in YouTube, so please forgive my mistakes.